Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel with another amazing, fabulous, tremendous and enormous type of the video. So guys, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to all so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So without wasting your time, I will start review of the brilliant project and here you can see it here. So guys, MEXC has launched another type of the new event guys. Basically this is a MEXC stock future pairs with MEXC future pair. Now you can trade your favorite pair US tech with your stock with a low fees. You can see stock future pairs and which are given here. Crypto user love stable coins and now you can use USDT to stake top like TSLA, AAPL, ICG, NVDA, these kinds of futures. So stock US tech on MEXC. So guys, MEXC has stock feature highlights is they also have low funding fees and trading fees on all their spotted pairs. So you can see tradings are aligned with US market, deep liquidity for all the tokenized stock, no brokerage account needed, trade directly with USDT up to 5 times. You can see in their features too. They have leverage available long or short. So guys, how you can join this platform? You can also do copy trading on this platform. You have to go to the future trading option which will be given here. Is the option for demo trading. Also you can have to find out this thing here, also stimulate USDT. For that you can go for demo trading. So I will just click on it. For working on it you need to make your account. I am trading with this platform. So guys, how you can have to go to the future section, how you can join, I will show you in that video how you can do demo trading in it. You can also do demo trading on this platform just like BTC you do on other platform. You can choose it by yourself and you can see a new exclusive is given for beginner tutorials. You can see it is the demo trading option here. So you can go, you can choose it by yourself. You have to write the amount like how much you want. You have to write the amount here how much you want to do. Here you have to enter amount like this and you have to go for option like for long or a short, open long, open short, or demo. Depends on you. It is the demo trading, it depends on you that which you want to go. You can also find everything here in front of you. You can see here, you can also find out how you can do all this thing. You can also go back and see in futures. They have also introduced you. You can see USDT future also give here. You can also check here. You can also go for stock options and start trading. This is also super easy to trade on this platform like MEXC. This exchange gains things and you can see it here, the given here USDT and stock. You can go further, it's up to you. You want to go for long and short, you have to enter the amount. Just you can see all their details. This exchange has gained a lot of things in that platform. They are going to the best as exchange fast for you, but do your own research before investing in these kind of project, before doing trade on these. You can also do have to click on the stock, so start trading, and here how to transfer funds or how to you can place the order. Check it out, all is here. You have to click stock and start trading here, which is given here. All that you can see the stock futures which is given here. MEXC has new features, new events going on. You can see it here, they have given here. So I will just open these events and you can see they have the super games and all that. You can further see they're given here. MEXC stock future US stock crypto powered trade US stock movement using crypto as margin, zero barriers, maximum flexibility. You can see it here. They have given here the further you can see future bonus which is given here. So as it will be open here, you can see the reward stock future pairs, and you can see the reward up. Go and check that which will be given here. They have also Solana Eco month which is given here. They have Super X game, and you can go for Solana Eco month which is given here. You can see I will open that link in front of you, and also share that you can go and check their Solana Eco price pool awaits for you. You can see their details here. Furthermore, you can see the stock future pairs which are given here. More trading pairs will add it in the future to meet the diverse user needs, and you can see TSLA, NVDA, USDT, all that is given here. The key features are given: lowest trading fees. They have you can see trade in Synic with a US stock, industrial leading market depth. You can see the FAQs. You can read that FAQs here. So I share all the details about that, but do your own research before doing any that thing. The risk is on you. So if you like my video, give thumbs up, must subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.